Today, I'm going to show you how to send a MailChimp campaign to multiple tags, step by step. This is a super useful way to target the right group of subscribers without sending to your entire audience, and it helps you keep your email marketing organized and more effective. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and sign into MailChimp using your email address and password. Once you're inside your account, you'll want to head over to the Audience section from the left-hand navigation menu. This is where MailChimp keeps all of your subscriber management tools, including tags, segments, and audience settings. Now click on Tags under Audience. On this page, you'll see the tags that are already created for your audience. Tags are a great way to organize contacts based on interests, behavior, or any custom labels you want to use. If you don't already have the tags you need, you can create them right here by clicking Create Tag. Give the tag a clear and descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later, then click Create to save it. Once your tags are ready, the next step is to open your email campaign. From the left-hand menu, click Campaigns. From here, you can either create a brand new email campaign or open an existing draft. In this example, we're opening a draft campaign, which is perfect if you've already started building your email and just need to adjust the recipients. After your campaign is open, look for the To or Recipients section in the campaign editor. This is where you choose exactly who will receive your email. Click Edit Recipients or the Audience Selection option to open the recipient settings. Now you need to select Tags as your audience filter. Once the tag filter is available, choose the multiple tags you want to include in your campaign. This is the key part of the process because MailChimp will then send the campaign to contacts who match the selected tags based on your filtering setup. If you're targeting more than one group, make sure each tag is selected correctly before moving on. Take a moment to review your recipient selection carefully. Double check that the correct tags are included and that you're not accidentally sending to the wrong audience. When everything looks right, click Save to apply the recipient selection. At this point, your campaign is ready to go. Review the rest of your email one final time, make sure the subject line and content are correct, and then click Send when you're ready. That's it. You've successfully sent a MailChimp campaign to multiple tags. If this video helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more MailChimp tutorials and simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.